ScriptHookV critical error, step-by-step fix, GTA 5 new update 2025. Step 1. Understand the problem. The ScriptHookV critical error happens after Rockstar updates GTA 5. ScriptHookV breaks because it relies on the old game version build number fry. Mods crash or the game won't launch until ScriptHook is updated. Step 2. Confirm your game version. Go to GTA Vi directory, right-click gtav.exe properties details. Note the version number, e.g. 1.3095.0. This is your current game build. Step 3. Download compatible ScriptHookV. Visit http://www.devc.com/scripthook/devscripthook.com/ official site by Alexander Blade. Check if a version matching your GTA build is released. If yes, download and install. If not yet, proceed to Step 4. Step 4. Downgrade GTA 5 to previous version. If ScriptHookVi is not updated yet, one use GTA5.exe and GTAVlauncher.exe from a previous backup. Or 2. Use a tool like GTA 5 Revert, search GTA 5 Downgrade tool, gta5mods.com.gta5mods.com. 3. Replace GTA5.exe, GTAVlauncher.exe, possibly update.rpf, depending on tool. 4. Block updates. In Steam, right-click GTA 5 Properties Updates, set to only update when launched. In Rockstar Launcher, disable auto-login or go offline before launching. Step 5. Reinstall ScriptHookV. 1. Extract downloaded ScriptHookV.zip2. Copy these files to your GTA 5 root folder. ScriptHookV.dll, dinput8.dll, ASI loader, nativetrainer.ase, optional. Step 6. Update all mods and trainers. Update. Menu, simple trainer, lspdfr, or any other ASI/DLL mods. Make sure each mod is compatible with the ScriptHookVi and game version you're using. Step 7. Launch game offline. Launch GTA 5 in offline mode. Make sure you're using the downgraded version plus correct ScriptHook files. Optional, back up your working setup, create a zip of your working GTA 5 folder, store it somewhere safe so you can restore easily next time. Rockstar pushes an update. TLDR, fix summary, fix. ScriptHookV, critical error. Downgrade game or wait for ScriptHook update, mods not working, use compatible versions of ScriptHook plus trainers, game keeps updating, block automatic updates, Steam Rockstar. GTA crashes on launch, use offline mode and verified working mod builds.